Hello and welcome to the opportunity that you have been looking for. In an ever-changing world, we realise the internet's here to stay. The internet isn't a fad, it's a platform for evolution in communications, in commerce and in culture. We all know that the internet is one of the biggest things to happen in our generation and generations before us and the generations to come. And in this ever-changing world, at the moment, 97% of consumers now use online media when researching for products and services in their local area. Think about that. That's 97 people out of 100. Near as damn it the whole population does this these days. When they're looking for something, they use online media to help them find maybe the best price or the information that they need. And in fact, 65% of those consumers cite the web as important in making buying decisions. That's people who want to make a purchase, they research on the internet to find maybe the best price or the best product, and the information that the internet gives them enables them to create that buying decision. And that's why online shopping by 2013 is expected to be a $1 trillion market, and that's also with a 19.4% annual growth. So it's absolutely booming. So it's people price comparing, it's people now buying on the internet and using this tool that we can have anywhere in the world as long as you've got an internet connection to enable people to save time, to save money and find the purchases that they wish to get. And that's why we're going to introduce you right now to the next giant web innovation in the form of the Shopping Sherlock. The Shopping Sherlock enables you to find the best deals on anything that you wish to purchase simply by using the internet. It's innovative and it's a new to market, this Shopping Sherlock. It's never been done before. It's a category creator, not an imitator. It's been driven by the company Best in You, which has got a phenomenal CEO, Michael Reeder. Now the great thing here is he's been in the forefront of the internet explosion since the mid-90s. So he's a tech guru, he's driven, and the vision he has for the Shopping Sherlock is absolutely phenomenal, and it's exploding around the world right now because he knows exactly what to do with this technology. He's got years of success in expose and online advertising and marketing, which is really helping our company, Best in You and the Shopping Sherlock, drive around the world. He's expert in developing programs also for non-profit organizations. Some of the other things he's done is help fund and consulted on other MLM companies as well. So we've got the right CEO at the head of our ship helping us explode this Shopping Sherlock globally right now with a fantastic company, Best in You. Now what is the Shopping Sherlock? It's an application that you can give away for free. That's right, people get it for free, they use it for free, and it costs them nothing to have, nothing to use. It's phenomenal. It's a very innovative product, and people can get it just by going to a Sherlock website, clicking on, get the free app, and they can install it. We've got apps for many countries at the moment, and many more countries due to come on real soon as well. Very safe, and what the application does enables people to save time and money. But how do people save time? Well, what someone would do is use the normal search engines, the likes of Google, the likes of Bing. You can see here on the Google page, a search for an iPod Touch, but there was multi-million search results. No one's got the time to go through all of these to find the best price. Now, imagine if you could have something that would do all that work for you. Well, you can with the Shopping Sherlock. Now, once someone's installed the Sherlock, it literally comes on the screen of the major search engines. You click it and it'll do all the hard work. So it will save people a lot of time finding the best price. That's that 97% we mentioned earlier, for things that they want to buy anyway. It's not transfer spending, it's whatever you want to buy, it will find you the best price. The Shopping Sherlock literally homes in to the best price for you. Now how do you do that, and how does it find you the best deals in seconds? Well, you go to your major search engine, you type in your product you want, as you normally would do, the Sherlock appears, a couple of clicks, and because we ride on all the major search engines, it covers the whole of the internet for whichever country you're using it in. And the great thing is it does all the work. You sit back and it'll pull up the best price for the product you put in, maybe into that Google search or that Bing search. And this is very powerful. So in seconds, you can now start making major savings. So the application doesn't just save people time, it saves people money. Now how does it do that? Because it finds you the best price for something you want to buy anyway. It's not influenced by who's paying the most to get high up on Google or high budget click advertising. It's not influenced on whether you know how to use the internet. As long as you can click a button, the app will do all the work for you. You sit back and enjoy the massive savings that you're going to make. And the great thing is real people making real savings by simply using a very easy application that costs them nothing to get and nothing to use, because when you give it to someone, you truly do give that person a gift. Because the average family who uses this saves pounds or dollars every single month. And again, remember, it's free to get and have. So imagine giving a gift to someone where they can save money every month. Wouldn't you like to give that to everybody you know? Well, I certainly have been doing it, and we've seen great saving stories around the world. But here's a great twist. As people are using it, as the consumers are using the application to save money and to save time, we can generate an income from that, and we do that without asking them to spend any money to try the product. People can try the product in seconds for free. It's not as if you've got a product you're going to give someone to taste and they're going to tell you whether they like it or not, and it's cost you money to introduce that product to them. This is giving them something for free, they can use for free, and they can save time and money, and whilst they're doing that, we're generating an income. But let's see how this actually works. Let's show you some search engine results. Here you can see one on the German application. There was a search for a camera, and there you go. The regular search came in at 1899.98 euros. Using the Shopping Sherlock, 1319 euros. That's a 580 euro saving. That's 31%. Which one would you rather pay? Obviously the one that's been brought to you by the Shopping Sherlock. Here's one for the UK, because I'm showing you here we're a global business and global application. There's a washing machine for just under £300. Use the Sherlock to just under £240. That's a £60 saving. That's 20%. Again, paying for the product like that, which price would you rather pay? Obviously it's the one that's the cheapest. It's the same product. Keep the money in your pocket rather than the retailers. Lots of countries. We've got one for the American market here. You can see a Golf driver, just under $480. With the Sherlock, a massive saving of 69%, down to $150 approximately. Again, huge savings. Now don't forget, this Shopping Sherlock is free. But you know, you can save $330 on one item. Who wouldn't want this Shopping Sherlock? It's powerful, it's phenomenal. And not just in America, even countries that don't have an application yet can use an application from anywhere in the world. You know, we've got an application launched in Australia. You can see here on a watch, it was just over $2,500 with the Sherlock, under $1,900. Again, a 26% saving, a saving of 669 Australian dollars. Powerful savings for people making savings on things they're buying anyway. And here's one for the Philippines. Now the Philippines, there's a TV, as you can see. They've used in this example the Australian app, because we haven't launched an app for the Philippine internet yet, but you can use apps from other countries. They did a saving there of 42%. You know, that's the Philippine peso. That's 23,709.4 when you convert that. That is so powerful. Again, real people making real savings on products they want to buy anyway. But you know, if you wanted to generate an income and give this amazing Shopping Sherlock away, first of all, you've got to become a distributor of it. And how do you do that? It's really simple to do. It costs a one-off lifetime fee of US dollars $249, and then there's a monthly low subscription cost of $34.95, and that enables you to keep enjoying handing out applications, the branding, which I'm going to show you, the online customer support, the websites that the company give you to help explode your business around the world. It's a very low monthly fee as well. And just think of some of those savings that people were making just by using the app itself. In my opinion, where this is a no-brainer, I've made savings in a month more than it cost me to have the business just by using the free application. Very, very powerful. Some of the things that we don't have high startup costs. You don't have to buy a load of product inventory and then go and try and sell it to friends and family. There's no shipping and handling costs. It's on the internet. Instant delivery around the world. There's no retailing. Guess what? The Shopping Sherlock's free. You're giving a gift away. And this is the great thing. Because it's on the internet, you don't have a lot of product you've got to try and store in your garage and hope somebody will buy it. You know, it's a very low cost business. We have lots of fun while we do it, and there's major benefits where you can build a global business around the world using the internet, because the internet doesn't sleep. So you've got a 24/7, 365 business opportunity from the comfort of a laptop anywhere around the world. But what do? We help people save time, and we help people save money, and whilst we're doing that, we have an opportunity to generate an income for ourselves, which makes this, for me, a win-win situation. But when you've got your own brandable system here, and you can give away your Shopping Sherlocks, you can see there on the screen, you can actually brand in this area. You can see an example of an Italian restaurant there. Think about how powerful this is. This application comes up on every page of the major search engines, regardless of the search. So it comes up on the front pages of Google. Even if you typed in iPod Touch, they see that branding. So if you've got a business, or you know business owners or service providers, any sort of consultants, even people in direct sales and network marketing, you can brand your logo on that application that you give away. So you're in the face of your clients in a non-obtrusive way. It's very, very powerful. It enables you to grow your other business, or you can market your Shopping Sherlock business as well on there. And it helps promote it in a non-threatening way, but you get massive exposure as you're given these applications around the world, which can also in turn generate massive business. But again, business is about making money and not just spending it. Now, we have a free application that does pay. And all the examples I'm going to show you are illustrations. There's no income guarantees, but it does show you what you can earn, you know, being a distributor with Best in You as well. Now, you've got Shopping Sherlock usage income. As we give our applications away, as people are clicking on certain sites, we can get paid. That's pay per click. That doesn't happen anywhere else in our business model. When people make purchases and sales on certain sites, we can generate an income based on their purchase. Or if there's other sites where maybe people make on offers on coupon redemptions, we can get paid. This is called affiliate income. And also we have affiliate override bonuses on people we personally introduce as they're starting to build their business and earning Sherlock usage income. We can get a percentage of that as well. Very, very powerful. Again, remember, the user uses it for free, and as they're using it, we can generate an income based on that usage. Now, lots of people are going to want to have their Shopping Sherlock business just like us. And as you start introducing your business to your friends, your family, extended connections, when you introduce two people who buy their own Shopping Sherlock system, you earn $100. And that's in multiples of two. So every two you sell, you get $100. Go and sell another two, get another $100. Go and sell another two, get another $100. See how powerful that is? And there's no cap on the number that you can do. That's called a fast start bonus. Now, once you've bought your business and you've introduced a few people, we work a two-team plan. We call that a binary plan. You introduce one person on your left team and one on your right to activate your binary, and now you can start to qualify for sales cycle bonuses. Now, every time